Last time, we reviewed how to identify the plug and outlet you need to adapt, and how to search for the correct adapter on our site. If you're still confused about the different plugs and outlets, we have another useful tool to help you out: the Outlet Solutions page. If your outlet doesn't have the NEMA configuration or other helpful information printed on it, this page is perfect for you. Go to acworks.com, then click on the Outlet Solutions header. There, we have pictures of nearly every possible outlet that is being used today. Simply scroll through and click on the outlet you are working with. The next page will show you the different adapters we have available for your outlet, along with their most common uses. Once you find the adapter you need, click on it to see more details, and then you are all set to order. If you still have any questions about your connections, please leave us a comment down below, and be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.